Hi guys! Welcome sa Zipline. In this video, itutuloy natin yung series natin on factoring. And in this video, ipa-finalize natin yung ating tutorial on sum and difference of two cubes. So dalawa yung natutunan natin na formula sa previous videos, no? Anong pagkakaiba nila? Ang pagkakaiba nila ay yung sa a cubed plus b cubed, parehong plus, pero yung other factor ay minus yung middle term. Makikita nyo, opposite yung operations, itong dalawa, no? And ganun din dito. Kung anong nandito, ganun din yung nandito. And opposite din yung nandito. So ito at saka ito ay opposite operations. Okay, so yan lang yung tatandaan nyo. No? Now let's have more examples. Factor x to the 6 minus 27. So x to the 6 minus 27 is equal to, sa binomial, kukunin natin yung cube root ng x to the 6, which is x squared. Kasi x squared times x squared times x squared is x to the 6th. Tapos yung cube root ng 27 ay 3. And then we square yung x squared, that is x squared squared. And then we add the product of 3 and x squared. That's x squared times 3. And then we also add the square of 3. So this is equal to x squared minus 3 times x to the 4th plus x squared times 3 is just 3x squared, and then 3 squared is 9. Second number, we have factor 8x cubed plus y cubed. So 8x cubed plus y cubed is equal to, plus ito, no? Kasi kapareho nito. Now this is plus, so plus yun nandito. And then we get the cube root of 8, which is 2, kasi 2 times 2 times 2 is 8. And then the cube root of x cubed is x, and the cube root of y cubed is y. And then square natin yung 2x squared. And then we subtract the product of 2x and y, 2x times y. Again, dapat opposite yung operations. And then we square y. Burahin natin to. So this is equal to 2x plus y. And then we have 2x quantity squared is just 2 squared x squared, or simply 4x squared. And then minus 2xy plus y squared. Next is 27c cubed minus 64d to the 6th. 27c cubed minus 64d to the 6th. So minus ulit dito. Cube root of 27 is 3. Cube root of c cubed is c. Cube root of 64 is 4. Kasi 4 times 4 times 4 is 64. And then cube root of d to the 6th is d squared. Kasi d squared times d squared times d squared is d to the 6th. And then we square 3c. And then we add the product of 3c and 4d squared, and then we add the square of 4d squared, 4d squared squared. So this is equal to 3c minus 4d squared. And then we have, ano ang 3c quantity squared? That's 3 squared c squared, diba? Which is 9c squared. And then plus, what is 3c times 4d squared? Dapat may parenthesis tayo dito. So that's 12cd squared. And what is 4d squared squared? 4d squared squared. That is equal to 4 squared. Tapos d squared squared is d to the 4th, which is equal to 16d to the 4th. So this is 16d to the 4th. Yan yung sagot natin. And lastly, we have 125a cubed plus 1000b cubed. So 125a cubed plus 1000b cubed is equal to, ano ang cube root ng 125? That's 5, kasi 5 times 5 times 5 is 125. Ano ang cube root ng a cubed? Just a. Ano ang cube root ng 1000? That's 10, no? Kasi 10 times 10 times 10 is 1,000. So 10 And then b cubed, ang cube root niya ay b. And for the other factor, we have square natin yung 5a. And then isubtract natin yung product ng 5a tsaka 10b. Remember, opposite. Opposite silang ng operation. And then we have plus the square of 10b. So this is equal to 5a plus 10b times 5a squared is 5 squared a squared, which is 25a squared. So 25a squared minus, what is 5 times 10? That's 50, no? Tapos a times b is ab. And then plus, what is 10b quantity squared? 10b quantity squared is 10 squared b squared. And 10 squared is 100. So 100b squared. Okay, so I think we had enough examples already for you to master factoring, sum and difference of two cubes. No? Sana ay nag-enjoy kayo sa ating tutorial at sana ay marami kayong natututunan. That's it. Huwag niyo kalimutan mag-subscribe, i-like niyo yung video natin, and I'll see you in the next video. See ya!